Okay, this is it. This is your COVID-19 at-home test kit from LabCorp. The website is pixel.labcorp.com. Search COVID-19. The price of this test is $119. They'll ship it to you. It's a nasal front of the nose swab, and then you send it back to LabCorp. It's really important that you take an assessment on their website first to make sure that you're a candidate for the testing. This way LabCorp can get you reimbursed for the $119 they're charging for the at-home test. You don't even need me. You don't need Svelte medical weight loss for this at-home test kit. It's really brilliant. I'm glad that Pixel by LabCorp is doing this and offering this. So if you have any questions, private message me. If you know anybody that's dealing with symptoms of coronavirus, encourage them to go to this website. I'll post it along with this video, pixel.labcorp.com/COVID.